Good morning, dear students. We have started a discussion on a topic of heterocyclic chemistry. So, in that, we have discussed what will be the nomenclature pattern for the heterocyclic compounds. Then, we have discussed which compounds we are going to. So, we have discussed that which compounds we are going to cover in this. So that time we have discussed that we are going to cover a discussion on pi-membered heterocyclic compounds containing one heteroatom, that means pyrrole, furan and thiophene. And with respect to the pyrrole, it will contain one heteroatom, that is nitrogen. Furan will contain oxygen as an heteroatom and thiophene will contain sulfur as an heteroatom. So we have started a discussion on furan. So in that we have covered the methods of synthesis of furan and their resonance hybrid structure. So up till this we have covered. Now in today's lecture we are going to start a discussion on reactions of furan, that is an heterocyclic compound. Now the reactions of furan is divided into two categories basically: reaction with the electrophilic agents and reaction with the nucleophilic agents. So we are going to start a discussion on reaction with the electrophiles. Now, in that we are going to cover what will be the reactivity and orientation pattern of furan molecule towards reaction with the electrophilic agents. Now, basically, furan is going to have pi electrons cloud in its structure. So, furan is pi excessive heterocycle and exhibit greater reactivity towards which type of substitution? Towards electrophilic substitution. As we know, in the case of benzene, we have discussed at that time, furan is containing two number of double bonds. That's why furan is going to have pi cloud of electrons present in their structure. So furan is pi excessive heterocycle and going to exhibit greater reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. So he's more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. As far as when we are going to compare the furan with the pyrrole and thiophene. Now in this topic, we are going to do the comparative study of all those monoheterocyclic compounds that are pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Now, furan is basically less reactive than pyrrole, but more reactive than thiophene. Now, what are the reasons behind why furan is more reactive than thiophene and less reactive than pyrrole? The lower reactivity of the furan than the pyrrole is because of the presence of oxygen atom, which will accommodate positive charge less readily than the nitrogen atom. So that's why furan is less reactive than the pyrrole. Why? The reactivity of furan when it is compared with the thiophene is more. The reason behind that, why furan is more reactive than the thiophene? Because it is going to attribute the smaller mesomeric, positive mesomeric effect on the sulfur atom than the oxygen atom. So sulfur is going to occupy the positive mesomeric effect than the oxygen atom. That's why furans are more reactive than thiophene and less reactive than the pyrrole molecule. So this will be the orientation pattern of the furan molecule towards what type of substitution reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Now what will be the orientation pattern? How is going to do the uh, electrophilic substitution reaction? Now furan undergoes electrophilic substitution preferentially, majority of the cases with at which carbon atom? Carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. So majority of the case, furan is going to have electrophilic substitution reaction at carbon number 2 and carbon number 5 position. Those two positions are known as alpha position. So furan's alpha positions are carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. And these positions are comparatively 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 11 times more reactive than the benzene molecule. So when we are going to compare the furan with a benzene molecule, that two positions that are alpha positions of furan are 6 multiplied by 10 raised to 11 times more reactive than the benzene molecule. But a condition is that, but if these two positions, which two positions? Furan's carbon number 2 and carbon number 5 are already occupied by another reagents. Then the substitution takes place at remaining two positions of the furan molecule, that are carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. And these positions are also even more reactive than the position of the benzene molecule. See what we have discussed up till now. A furan is a more reactive than the benzene molecule if it is substituted at alpha position, that is carbon number 2 and carbon number 5 position with respect to the furan. If these two positions are occupied, then the substitution will be taken place at carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, that are beta position. Then these beta positions of furan molecule are also more reactive than the benzene molecule. The preferential electrophilic substitution at carbon number 2 and 5 position is attributed to the resonance stabilization of the transition state take place when they are going to have the substitution at carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. And the powerful orientation effect of the ring oxygen. See, this will be the structure of furan, and if it is undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, positively charged species, we know up till now we have discussed that furan is going to occupy which position? Alpha position, preferably than the beta position. If it is going to occupy the alpha position, that is carbon number 2 and carbon number 5, the picture shown here is will be the substitution when it is going to take place at carbon number 2. Now this furan structure will undergo resonance stabilization structure. So there will be a shifting of the pi cloud of electron from second position to the third, then the fifth position, and he is going to have the alpha substitution preferably at second position. This is with respect to when a furan molecule will be substituted at alpha position. If it is not, if the alpha position is already substituted, then furan will go for the substitution at beta position at third carbon atom. So this is it, less majority of the case when the alpha position is occupied by another reagent. So this is a orientation pattern of furan molecule towards electrophilic substitution reaction at carbon number at alpha position is preferably than that of beta position. Now you should know what type of position he is going to occupy when it is going for the uh, electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, directing effect of the substituents. Now we know some of the functional groups, some of the substituents are directing substituents, orthodirecting, meta-directing, para-directing. These type of substituents we have discussed in last semester in the topic of benzene molecule. Now, if these directing type of substituents are attacking on the furan molecule, although the alpha position of the furan are more reactive than the beta position. Now, till just now we have discussed that with respect to the furan molecule, alpha positions of the furan are more reactive than the beta position towards which type of substitution? Towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, the ratio of alpha substitution to the beta substitution depending upon the balancing effect of the ring oxygen. Now, when we are going to compare the substitution at alpha position and substitution at beta position, the balance of these substitution is depending upon the balance effect of the oxygen atom which is there in the furan molecule and the position of the substitution. The presence of the substituent, that is positive inductive effect or negative inductive effect at the position carbon number 2 of the furan cause substitution to occur at 5 position. See, if the furan's second position is occupied by a substituent which going to exert a positive and negative inductive effect, then and then only the substitution will be taken place at carbon number 5 position due to the mesomeric effect. But this effect is usually overpowered by the powerful orientation effect of the ring oxygen and direct the substitution to occur at carbon number 5 position. This is when the carbon number 2 is occupied by some of the another reagent. However, the negative mesomeric effect of the substituent, that is carbonyl group, which is enhanced in the presence of Lewis acid with a deactivation of carbon number 5 position, and the substitution takes place at carbon number 4. See, case number 1, when the alpha position is substituted with a with a positive mesomeric effect substituent, then the substitution will be taken place at position. This is first possibility. And in case of second possibility, if the substitution occur at 5 position of the furan molecule, then the directing effect will be substituted at 4th position. And this effect compete with the orientational effect of the ring oxygen. So it's going to compete with the ring oxygen. See, whenever we are going to do the nitration of the furan molecule, so the first the nitration, see here, the second position, that is alpha position, second carbon atom occupied with already a nitro group. The second nitration will be taken place at a 5th position, because we know alpha positions of the furan molecule are more reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. If the substitution is taken place at carbon number 2, the next respective substitution will be done at carbon number 5 position. Now, the next reaction with respect to the furan molecule is protonation, addition of the proton molecule. Protonation of the furan generates reactive electrophilic intermediate with the participate in the polymerization and the ring opening reaction. So the protonation of furan generates reactive electrophilic intermediate. So we know whenever the furan molecule is undergo protonation, so he is going to give the reactive electrophilic intermediate which participate in the polymerization and ring opening reaction. So what will be the result of the protonation reaction? Whenever furan is undergo protonation reaction, he is going to give the intermediate compound which is susceptible towards the polymerization reaction and ring opening reactions. Furan substituted with the electron withdrawing substituent are stable towards acid. Now, if the furan is substituted with electron withdrawing substituent like methyl functional group, then a furan substituted with electron withdrawing substituent, these are stable towards protonation reaction. See, when the furan is substituted with electron withdrawing functional group, then furan will give the furan will undergo a protonation reaction. But if furan is substituted with electron releasing substituent, usually undergo polymerization with a mineral acid due to the facile protonation and carbon number 2 position. So this will be the reaction if the furan is substituted with electron withdrawing substituent, then it will undergo a protonation reaction which will give an additive compound which will give an adduct unstable compound which is susceptible towards the polymerization reaction. Now, this will be the result of protonation of the furan molecule. Now, furan molecule is going for the nitration reaction. So, furan is nitrated with mild nitrating agent, that is acetyl nitrite. So the nitration of the furan will be taken place by using a nitrating agent, that is acetyl nitrite, at low temperature. The reaction proceeds by addition elimination mechanism involving an intermediate. So just now we have discussed about protonation. Protonation is depending upon whether the ring is substituted with electron releasing functional group or electron withdrawing functional group. With respect to the nitration, furan is nitrated with a mild nitrating agent, that is acetyl nitrate at low temperature. And the reaction proceeds by addition and elimination mechanism involving an intermediate. This reaction is also going to yield an intermediate, that is 2,5 addition product. So this type of 2,5 addition product will be formed in this reaction scheme. In certain cases, the intermediate 2,5 addition product is isolated if a base is not used to eliminate the acetic acid. See? So this will be the nitration reaction for the furan molecule. Furan is nitrated with acetyl nitrate in the presence of nitric acid at low temperature. It will going to nitrate the carbon number 2 position. Now we know carbon number 2 and 5 positions are more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So preferably the substitution will be taken place at carbon number 2. And this compound we can isolate if we are going to remove the pyridine as a base. So this is a nitration of the furan molecule. Now next reaction of the furan molecule towards electrophilic substitution is sulfonation reaction. Now furan is sulfonated with a complex of sulfur dioxide with a pyridine or dioxane and provide 2-sulfonic or 2,5-disulfonic acid depending upon the reaction condition. So furan is sulfonated with a complex of sulfur dioxide. So when furan is undergo sulfonation in the presence of sulfur dioxide with a pyridine or dioxane, so we require a presence of pyridine or dioxane as a solvent, which provides intermediate compound 2-sulfonic acid, that is 2,5-disulfonic acid, depending upon the reaction condition. However, furan substituted the electron withdrawing functional group, that is methyl functional group. So this is the first possibility that first they are going to occupy the carbon number 2 alpha position, second carbon atom, furan sulfonic acid, followed by again if we are reacting with the sulfur trioxide. So he is going to occupy both alpha position of the furan molecule. Then our next reaction is halogenation. Since furan react vigorously with the bromine and chlorine at room temperature. Now, in the introductory part only we have discussed that furan is more reactive than the benzene molecule because of the presence of one of the heteroatom in the structure of furan. Since furan react vigorously with the bromine and chlorine, they will react with the bromine and chlorine simply at room temperature with the formation of polybromo and polychlorofuran respectively. The middle conditions are required for the formation of. So if we are going to obtain a selective compound, that is monobromo and monochlorofurans, that time we have to keep the reaction condition milder. So furan react vigorously with the fluorine and chlorine. Bromination of furan with the presence of dioxide bromide at simply at -5 degrees centigrade, they are going to give the formation of 2-bromofurans. So furan react vigorously with the bromine and chlorine at room temperature with the formation of polybromo and polychlorofurans respectively. And if we require a selective compound, that is monobromo, that time we have to keep the reaction conditions milder at -5 degrees centigrade. So furan is undergo bromination selectively at position 2. We have kept the milder reaction condition at -5 degrees centigrade. So furan is converted into 2-bromofuran. Now the next reaction is alkylation reaction. reaction, addition of alkyl functional group. So furan does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So furan readily, it will not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. The catalyst required in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation affect polymerization reaction. But because of the acid sensitivity of the furan, furan is susceptible and sensitive towards acidic condition. That's why it will not directly go for alkylation reaction. The alkylation is affected by the alkanes at the position 2 in the presence of mild catalyst. So the alkylation is effective by the presence of alkene at position 2. So in the presence of mild catalyst, that is phosphoric acid. So when the alkylation is done in the furan molecule, the presence of phosphoric acid, so there it will result into the formation of alkyl derivative of phenol, preferably at carbon number 2 position. Now, acylation reaction. The acylation of furan with acid anhydride in the presence of mild catalysts such as phosphoric acid or boron trivalent results in the 2-acyl furan. The acylation of the furan can be performed with the acetyl para-toluene sulfonate, or although trifluoroacetic anhydride does not require any catalyst. So furan is readily undergo acid acylation reaction. So furan readily undergo acylation reaction with the acid anhydrides in the presence of mild catalyst, that is phosphoric acid. So furan readily undergo acylation reaction. The acylation furan can be performed with the acetyl para-toluene sulfonate or acetyl stannous fluoride sulfonate. Although the trifluoroacetic anhydride does not require any catalyst. So acylation of furan taken place at carbon number 2 position in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. Now reaction with the aldehyde and ketone. So the acid catalyzed reaction of furan with the aldehyde produces a mixture of oligomers involving reactive electrophiles. So the acid catalyzed reaction of furan with aldehyde produces a mixture of oligomers involving reactive electrophiles. So it will react readily with the aldehyde functional group, so to generate a reactive electrophile. But the reaction of the 2-methyl furan offers formation of oligomers. So furan reacts with an aliphatic aldehyde, produces a reactive electrophile. That's it. So this one is the reactive electrophile of the furan molecule. Now reaction with diazonium salts. Now we know the formation of diazonium will be done by using an primary amine when it reacts with the mineral acids. So they are going to synthesize a diazonium salt. Now when furan will react with the diazonium salt, they are going to form furan undergo phenylation rather than diazocoupling on reaction with a benzene diazonium salt. So furan undergo phenylation rather than diazocoupling. So it will not going to attack on the diazotization functional group or diazotization reaction. It will go for phenylation. So this phenyl functional group will be added in the structure of furan molecule. So furan, when it reacts with the diazocoupling reaction, it will go for phenylation rather than diazotization. Moreover, the reaction of furan with 2,4 dinitropropenzine diazonium salt in the presence of acetic acid, it results in the formation. So it will undergo phenylation reaction. Now, this is our part number 1, that is reaction with the electrophile. So in this we have discussed whenever they are going to react with the proton molecule, when they are reacting with the nitration, when they are reacting with the halogenation, when they are reacting with the diazonium salts. Now, The next part of the reaction is reaction with nucleophiles. Nucleophilic substitution in the furan are concerned mainly with the halofurans. So the reactivity of the halofurans towards nucleophilic substitution are somewhat greater than that the corresponding arene halides. The greater reactivity of the halofurans attributed to the higher electron deficiency on the carbon atom by electron attracting tendency of the oxygen. However, this effect is opposed by the directing effect of oxygen and the repulsion of the nucleophile by para electrons of the oxygen. The two halofurans do not react with the sodium methoxide at 100 degrees centigrade, and the reaction with the piperidine is approximately 10 times faster than the corresponding arene halide. The reactivity of the two halofurans is, however, decreased towards nucleophilic substitution when the methyl group is present at carbon number 3 and 5 position. See. The furan is undergo electrophilic substitution when it is undergo diazotization. So there is the formation of cycloaddition adduct, and this cycloaddition adduct will be going for reaction with the nucleophilic agents. Now when a substituted dimethyl furan will react with the nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is diazotization. So they are going to form a substituted derivative at carbon number 3 position. So if in the case of furan, the halofurans will react with the piperidine to form adduct, which is an adduct of furan and piperidine. And if it is reacting with the substituted, both the functional group are substituted at carbon number 2 and carbon number 5, then the piperidine will be taken place. So it will be undergo dehalogenation reaction. So there is a dehalogenation, breaking of the bond between carbon and halogen atom, and it is going to take the position of the halogen atom. The nucleophilic substitution reaction involving substitution of the halogen atom from position 3 are rare, but 3-methoxyfuran is obtained by the reaction of 3-iodofuran. Now, the nucleophilic substitution is generally rare in the case of furan. This substitution only happens if the furan is substituted with the halogen atom at carbon number 3 position. So position 3 are rare, but the 3-methoxyfuran is obtained by the reaction of 3-iodofuran with the methionine sodium methoxide in the presence of copper oxide at the catalyst. So the nucleophilic substitution in the case of furan is rare. It is happening if the third position is substituted with the halogen functional group. So the substitution of methyl functional group in the replacement of halogen functional group will be done. The presence of an electron withdrawing group, that is nitro-carboxy and carboxy, facilitates nucleophilic substitution, and this reaction proceed either by an addition-elimination mechanism or possibly by an electron transfer mechanism involving radical anion. C. The presence of electron withdrawing group, that is nitro-carboxyl or carboxy, nitro-carboxy and carboxy. These are the electron withdrawing functional groups in the furan molecule. Facilitates nucleophilic substitution. These reactions proceed either by addition-elimination mechanism or by the electron transfer mechanism. So, if these electron withdrawing substituents are substituted in the bromofuran molecule, then they are going to form the substitutions of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now the next part is cycloaddition reaction. Furan, in spite of being pi-excessive heterocycle, now we know furan is going to have a pi-excessive cloud of electron, behaves as a diene. So he is going to behave as a diene and undergo 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. As he is going to undergo diene type of reaction, he is going to undergo 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction with dienophiles with the formation of thermodynamically more stable exoproduct than the kinetically favored endoproduct. The reaction of furan with the malic anhydride acetonitride, reaction of furan with the malic anhydride in the acetonitride at 40 degrees centigrade provide initially endoadduct. So when furan will react with the malic anhydride in the presence of acetonitride at 40 degrees centigrade, they are going to form the formation of adduct, that is unstable compound, which will again converted to the exoadduct by retroaddition followed by re-addition in an alternative orientation. The exoadduct is 8 kilojoule and the endoadduct is 7. So followed by the re-addition at alternative position, the exoadduct is 8 kilojoule per mole, more stable than the endoadduct. So whatever adduct formed during the cycloaddition reaction of the furan molecule, as furan is going to behave as a diene towards cycloaddition reaction, so they are going to form the exoadduct and endoadduct, but the exoadduct is more stable than the endoadduct. Now last part with respect to the furan reaction is photochemical reaction. Furan undergo photochemical, that is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction when irradiated with a carbonyl compound, that is propanaldehydes such as aliphatic aldehydes and ketones, alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes, diketones, aromatic and heteroaromatic carboxyl, heteroaromatic aldehydes and ketones to provide oxydanes. The photochemically sensitized 2 plus 2 cycloaddition of 2-acyl furan with 2,3-dimethyl 2-butene produces 2 products. So they are going to give a formation of 2 products. So when furan will react with the propanaldehyde, they are going to give the adduct. Again, when it is reacting with the, so there is formation of exoadduct and endoadduct. So this is all about which we have covered today. Today we have covered the reactions involved in the furan molecule, and we are going to discuss a detailed discussion on the furan. Furan is going to have a so in this we have discussed protonation reaction, nitration reaction, orientation pattern of the furan towards electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation reaction, alkylation reaction, acylation reaction, and reactivity of the furan towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, followed by cycloaddition reaction and photochemical